How to make everyone can add you to groups on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can add you to groups on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this 3 points in the top, and then click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find groups, and then just click everyone and click done, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.